Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe and join the family. If you want to see how I go from this thick hair to this lovely flexi rod set, keep watching. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my simple flexi rod set. I already did halfway of my hair. I'm putting some leave-in conditioner in. This is on semi-dry hair, and I'll be adding some Cream of Nature mousse, and I will be flexing riding my hair up. So stay tuned and watch the video. You must detangle your hair and make sure it's smooth before putting the flexi rod on. So I detangle my hair, I put the mousse on, detangle even more, and make sure it's smooth when I place it on the flexi rod set. And right now you see me parting my hair. Parting is very good. It helps you stay focused on your section and get the other hair out the way. So I always part my sections. Now I'll be adding some mousse. Then I'll be adding my flexi rod set. I'll be using the horseshoe method today. I learned how to do this method by watching another lady on YouTube, and I find it very easy and I love how it comes out. So I'll be using this method from now on. Throughout my hair, I use different types of method. I use the horseshoe method, and I use some of them are just single one piece on the flexi rod set. So after I finish, I would get some oil sheen spray and spray my whole head. And then I would let it air dry like this for a few hours. And I would put 2 bonnets on and go to sleep. Here is the next morning. I did my makeup. And I will be taking down my Flexi rod set. It is not 100% dry. I say it's about 90-95% dry. But we're going to make it work because I got places to go. Even though it wasn't 100% dry, after I took out my Flexi rod sets, before I started detangling it or separating the curls, I let it dry for like 20-30 minutes. But I'm actually liking how it came out. I'll be doing more Flexi rod sets. I think it's very cute and convenient. So yeah, stay tuned for more Flexi rod sets in different styles. I'm finally done separating the curls. Now you see me take a large white tooth comb and just fluff out my roots, pick out my roots a little bit. And I'm not taking the comb all the way through, just at the roots. I'm not touching the curls whatsoever. Now you see I seen a little frizzy part. I put some extra grease and I just twirled it around my finger and place it back inside the hair.